this is Nikhil here, and today is going to be a wonderful day because today I'm not doing anything. So, what I've decided that today I'll go to Gateway of India and, if possible, Elephanta Caves and just make a nice video for you guys to watch. So, today's vlog will be all about me going to Gateway of India, Elephanta Caves with my friend Nitin Mehbooba. I have to go to Kanjurmarg station to pick my friend Nitin up. So, now I have to take this stone, and my friend Nitin is waiting over here. आजा आजा मार मेरे को क्या बोलता भाई? And now we are going to Gateway of India. So it's around 28 kilometers from where I stay in Powai. So I'm going to take this route, and that over there is Eastern Express Highway. So I'm going to take a right from there, and straight I'm going to ride for around 25 kilometers. This is Boma Masjid. Beside Boma Masjid there is real Chor Bazaar. Now before you say anything, why no Chor Bazaar? The concept of Chor Bazaar is that a British officer used to roam here. They used to say too much noise, शोर, बहुत शोर है. So when they used to say बहुत शोर है, it used to come बहुत शोर है. So शोर बाजार से चोर बाजार आ गया. If you want to go to Chor Bazaar, you have to take a U-turn from there, take a left from there, or you can go from here also. And of course, I'm sure most of you already know this is a Churchgate station. Also very beautiful spot, one of the tourist spot, you can say that. You can say Churchgate station, Victoria Terminal, or Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal. Yes. So Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal, Victoria Terminal, or Churchgate station, whatever you want to call it. गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया सीधा ना, फिर राइट में आएगा ना. अरे व्हाट यू डूइंग? हाँ घुमा लूँगा यहाँ से. थैंक यू. So this is a Taj hotel. The right, I forgot the name of this. I think this is Taj Tower or something like that, and that is the actual Taj Mahal hotel. Now the complicated part. I have to find a place to park my bike, and towards my left, it's Gateway of India. Parked our bikes. That is Nitin. Of course, you have seen him already, and I've parked it beside the famous Taj hotel. The only reason I was wearing this shirt is because to protect from sun. Now I'm gonna get tan.
How could it be over now? I feel my heart breaking down. I'll turn it all around.
So all these barricades were not there earlier to 2008, but because of the 2008 attack, they have made it very strict now. The security over here is very tight, so we have to go from there now. So now we are entering Gateway of India. That's weird. We are entering the Gateway of India. Okay, so the guy told me that camera is not allowed, but still they let me go in with my GoPro, which is a good thing. And also they were not allowing my stand also, but still I convinced them. I told them they have a YouTube channel and all that, so they allowed me. But they told me that I cannot use my stand. So unfortunately I won't be able to use my tripod stand, but still. So this is Gateway of India behind me. I'm sure I've already told you that this was made, the construction was finished by 1924 to welcome someone, I don't know. After 2008, it has become very strict now.
It couldn't be over now. My heart is beating now. I'll turn it all around.
So yeah, now we are not allowed to go in actually. I remember when I used to come with my father around like 10-15 years back, we were allowed to go in also. We were allowed to go inside long time back, as I told you earlier also. You can pause the video and watch this. So this is the back side of the
Actually, it's the front side of the gate when you come from the boat. But for us, it's the back side. And it's not that crowded. If you'll come here on weekend, then it'll be really crowded. It's Friday, na? No, Friday, Thursday.
Thank you. So we are going to the boat now to go to Elephanta Caves. It'll take us around 1 hour to reach Elephanta Caves. This is a nice boat. ऊपर जाने का है? ऊपर जा सकते हैं? चल. तो ऊपर जा सकते हैं? एक नंबर. Okay. This is actually nice. This is actually awesome.
I don't know whether you can see it or no, but that's Mumbai. And we are almost there. Now this boat will take a turn to park and then we'll get down from there. So it took us exactly 1 hour to reach from Mumbai to here, this island.
This is the tricky part. Okay. Because now we are here to this island.
चलो ट्रेन टिकट लो चलो 10 रुपया जाना आना 10 रुपया
I think we have to get the train ticket. पर 20 रुपए का छुट्टा है देना उसको ट्रेन टिकट ले लेते हैं जल्दी पहुंचेंगे. So we are getting the train ticket from here so that we don't have to walk that much. एक मिनट भाई साहब.
Yeah, so we're finally here.
How could it be over now? I feel my heart breaking down.
Ferry, we took the boat. Yes.
I saw your video every day.
Okay. कितने बजे बंद होते हैं मालूम है ये?
So I met one of my subscribers, Upesh, over here. That's the beauty of YouTube. Everyone can watch the video. Okay, now this is a bit of a climb. If you have a knee problem or something like that, then you will face problem.
So I think थक गया? Young generation, man. So yeah, we finally here. Elephanta Caves. Elephanta Caves इधर है? इधर ना? चल नितिन, चल नितिन, चल. He's tired, yeah, because it was not an easy climb. Still we did it. और एक टिकट लेना पड़ेगा. Man, 180 for the ferry, 10 for the train, 10 for again for something, and then again 10 to enter. Around 200, 250. Nitin is buying the ticket. So that's the ticket which we bought for ₹10. For people who are not from India, for them it's around 180 rupees, right?
Yes.
180 rupees for people who are not from India. So we are here now.
I'll turn it all around. It couldn't be over now. turn it all around.
Okay, so we are finally inside the cave. I forgot the reason this was built, so what I'll do is I'll just put up a reason over here why this was built. So they told me videos are not allowed, but they don't know that I'm actually vlogging. Photo. Actually, उन्होंने बोला videos are not allowed, so I'm just taking a photo over here.
Okay, we are taking a photo.
Actually, I'm vlogging, I can. So that is the security guard who asked me not to record a video, but I'm shivling. This is another shivling. Okay, so he doesn't have a face, and he has a face, but he doesn't have a body. So this is the right side. We went to the left side. Now all of this. Oh my God! This is again spooky, man. I just don't want to look further. It's like a water storage area where they store water. And this is again the right side of the temple. See how spooky it looks, man. Damn, it looks really spooky. Okay, so now that's about 8. We were just here for like around half an hour, 20-25 minutes, but we still have like around 45 minutes. So we'll check out the place if possible. If not, then we'll leave. Cave number 2, 3, 4. Okay, they have a lot of caves over here. Cave number 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's check it out then. You never know, we can find anything special over here. Too many monkeys behind me. I don't know whether they can see it or not. So we just came from there, and you have this another cave. You have like similar 3-4 caves ahead also. So it's just caves now. Nothing special. So if you like a cave like this, okay. So I'm inside one of these caves, and it looks really scary. I'll just get out from here. Okay, so to the 4th cave you have like a door. If I wanted, I could have taken a guide, but I didn't. Maybe next time. I just want you guys to see this place. If you ever want to come over here, make sure you have a guide with you. At least he can tell you the story behind all this caves and the doors and all that. Okay, oh, empty. It's like a room. So this is the room. And even this, another shivling. I have so many shivlings, man. Okay. And another room. If you want to come here, either do a proper research about this place, Elephanta Caves, or whenever you come here, you just take a guide over here. So it's better to have a guide, or you do a proper research. Otherwise, you will not understand anything. Now you know what to do. Now you know what to expect. Nice place for a family outing. So that's our boat. I think that one or that one. I don't know which one. Almost on time. I'm bored. It's been half an hour. We are inside the boat now. More half an hour to go. So yeah, we're almost there. So we have almost reached. We're just waiting for we are just waiting to get parking. सब लिया ना भाई. So we have reached. I'll drop Nitin to PT station and I will go home. I don't feel tired. It was a nice day for me. It was a bit of a hot day, I would say, but now it's okay. So anyways, thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope you like this video. Thank you for my friend Mr. Nitin. Do check out his channel. His channel name is Nitin MBB, right? Yes. Yeah. And if you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up and do let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. And as always, shukran, alvida, ma salama, take care and do whatever you want, my lovely friends. Bye bye. Okay, so Monkey tried attacking while we were having coffee and sandwich. He got the footage on in his camera. So yeah, they took a sandwich. So now we are just left with coffee. If you like this video, do give. 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 Fuck. If you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up and do check out my other video. If you like this video, do if you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up and do check out my other videos in my channel. And as always, thank you for watching this video. And as always, thank you for watching. And as always, thank you for watching this video, guys. Shukran, alvida, ma salama, take care, and do whatever you want, my lovely friends. Bye bye.